I've taken 4 sets of data on Orion, and I want to calibrate them so I can process them together, blending them together. And the way I'm going to do this is with DeepSkyStacker. So I've stacked each set. In this case I've got O3, HA, one-shot colour and a short exposure of the core in one-shot colour, and they're all been stacked as separate files. So now I've got 4 fits files which don't line up, and this is the way that I'm going to align, calibrate and register the pictures. So I'll need to open up, here we've got the 4 sets of fits files, so I'm going to select all and open. As usual, you'll check all. I'm going to use the one-shot colour as a reference frame. Now I need to register check pictures. Let's turn the star detection threshold down because there's narrowband images in here. I'm going to leave the stack after registering on as well, and stack 100% pictures. Recommended settings, just check through. I'll take off the per channel background calibration. So stacking parameters. There we go. No background calibration. Alignment automatic. Intermediate files. This is where we click create a registered calibrated frame for each light frame. Now, once you've done, and you then in the future go to stack another set of light frames, remember to unclick that. Otherwise, you're going to get, if you put 50 frames, 50 lights in, you're going to get 50 registered files, which you don't really want. So remember to uncheck for the next stack. Also, I want to save as a fits file, as I'm using Star Tools to process. Star Tools prefers the fits. Cosmetic, I'm going to leave these off, and remember to put the output file into the folder that you want it. So in the output folder, I'm going to choose where I want it. That's a long old route. There we go, that's where I want it. Okay. Auto file, save, auto save fits. So we're ready to go. Okay. Here it gives you the warning about registering and how many files you're going to get. So remember, that's quite important if you're stacking 100 light frames or so. Now I'm going to cut to the end of the stacking. Okay, so it's stacked and also saved our registered files. So if I look in my folder where I'm hoping them to be, there we have everything that we need. So I'm going to delete the text files. Now we've got our 4 files that we need, which is the registered fits. there, and the original 4 files, and it also save, which is a combined stack of the 4 files that I stacked. And that's it. They're all now ready to be processed in StarTools.